नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आजच्या आपल्या विज्ञान आणि तंत्रज्ञान भाग 2 विषयाच्या तासिकेत आपणा सर्वांचं स्वागत. Xanthan gum. Xanthan gum gives thickness to ice cream, puddings, chocolates, milkshakes, chocolate drinks, instant soup, and others. This gum is obtained by fermentation of starch and molasses with Xanthomonas species. It is variously useful due to its solubility in cold as well as hot water. It is used in production of pigments, fertilizers, weedicides, textile pigments, toothpaste, high quality of papers, and many more. Our next topic is antibiotics. What are antibiotics? Carbon compounds obtained from some bacteria and fungi which are able to destroy or prevent the growth of harmful microorganisms are called as antibiotics. Antibiotics म्हणजे मराठीमध्ये प्रतिजैविके. पेनिसिलिन, सेफॅलोस्पोरिन्स, मोनोबॅक्टम, बेसिट्रेसिन, इरिथ्रोमायसिन, जेंटामायसिन, निओमायसिन, स्ट्रेप्टोमायसिन, टेट्रासाइक्लिन्स, वैंकोमायसिन. These are used against gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria, while rifamycin is effective against tuberculosis. Our next topic is microbes and fuels. First we consider gaseous fuel prepared by microbes. You know methane. It is obtained by microbial anaerobic decomposition of urban as well as agriculture or industrial waste. Hydrogen gas, which is released during biophotolysis of water, is also a great fuel. Photolysis of water means photoreduction of water. It is carried out by bacteria. Photoreduction means removal of oxygen from water molecule. Photoreduction of water means removal of oxygen from water molecule. During this process, hydrogen is liberated and it is used as fuel. For this process, bacteria are used. Liquid fuel, ethanol. It is smokeless and so it is called as clean fuel. It is obtained during fermentation of molasses by yeast, that is Saccharomyces. Our next topic is biofuels. As the name suggests, biofuels means it is made from living organisms. Biofuel is good and renewable type of energy. They are available in 3 forms: solid, liquid, and gaseous. The examples of solid biofuels are coal, dung, crop residue. Liquid biofuels are vegetable oils, alcohol, and gaseous biofuels are gobar gas, coal gas. Microbial pollution control. Different microbial degradation methods are useful to control pollution, and it is called as microbial pollution control. Our next topic is landfilling sites. You can observe modern landfill site in the diagram in front of you on the screen. This is very important question according to the exams. Please listen carefully. Draw this diagram in your notebook and write all the points correctly. Diagram is asked for 2 marks or short note may be asked for 2 or 3 marks. To make landfilling sites, large pits are dug away from the residential area. They are lined with plastic sheets to avoid soil pollution, because when these pits are filled with garbage, some toxic substances may form and they may get sprayed in the soil and they causes soil pollution. So to avoid this, these pits are covered or lined with plastic sheets. Compressed waste is dumped in the pit. It is then covered with soil, sawdust, leafy waste, which are added with some specific biochemicals and bioreactors. Completely filled pits are sealed with soil slurry. Best quality compost is formed after few days. Such landfilling sites can be reused after removal of the compost. So it is the best way for the disposal of garbage and reuse of garbage. It is modern method for the disposal of solid waste. We get best out of waste by this method. Our next topic is sewage management, म्हणजेच मराठीमध्ये सांडपाणी व्यवस्थापन. In villages, domestic sewage is disposed of either in nearby soil or in biogas plant. But in cities, it is impossible, and so the sewage is sent to processing plant and it is treated with microbes. शहरामध्ये सांडपाणी जे आहे हे सांडपाणी प्रक्रिया केंद्रात नेऊन त्यावर सूक्ष्मजैविक प्रक्रिया केल्या जातात. Microbes which are mixed with sewage, they carry out the process of decomposition and they release methane and carbon dioxide. Phenol oxidizing bacteria decompose the xenobiotic chemicals present in the sewage. These xenobiotic chemicals are very harmful for the environment, and so it becomes necessary to destroy them. The sludge which settle down during the process of sewage management can be used as fertilizer. या सांडपाणी व्यवस्थापन प्रक्रियेमध्ये जो गाळ तयार होतो हा खत म्हणून पुन्हा वापरता येतो. Water release after microbial treatment is environmentally safe. अशा पद्धतीने हे सूक्ष्मजैविक प्रक्रिया झाल्यानंतर बाहेर पडणारे पाणी जे आहे हे पर्यावरणासाठी सुरक्षित असते. सुरक्षित या अर्थी की त्यामध्ये कोणत्याही प्रकारची प्रदूषके नसतात किंवा त्यांचं प्रमाण कमी झालेलं असतं. In this way, during sewage management, some microbes carry out bioremediation of environment. Bioremediation of environment म्हणजे पर्यावरणाचे जैव उपचार. Clean technology, स्वच्छ तंत्रज्ञान. Human has made very fast progress in technology. Together with this progress, the environmental pollution also get increase in the similar speed with the same speed. So to avoid air, soil and water pollution, help of some microbes is to be taken. Microbes have natural capacity to decompose the man-made chemicals. So by using this ability, some microbes remove sulfur from fuel. Some of them remove metals like copper, iron, uranium, zinc. These metals get converted into compounds before releasing with the help of thiobacilli and sulfobacilli. Spilling of petroleum oil may prove fatal and toxic to aquatic organisms. It is very difficult to remove the oil layer from the surface of water by mechanical methods. And so, some bacteria like Pseudomonas species, Alcanohorax borcumensis have the ability to destroy the pyridines and other chemicals present in the oil, and hence these bacteria are used to clear the oil spills. These are called as Hydrocarbonoclastic bacteria. Capital H, capital C, capital B. Hydrocarbonoclastic bacteria. They decompose the hydrocarbons and bring about the reaction of carbon with oxygen, and thus carbon dioxide and water is formed in this process and the water become pure. समुद्रात झालेल्या पेट्रोलियम तेलाची गळती ही पाण्यावर तेलाचा तवंग निर्माण करते आणि साध्या यांत्रिक पद्धतींनी ती दूर होत नाही. अशा वेळेस अल्कॅनोहोरॉक्स बॉर्क्युमेन्सिस आणि स्युडोमोनास नावाच्या जीवाणूंचा वापर करून पाण्यावरील हे तेलाचे तवंग नष्ट केले जातात. या क्रियेत HCB बॅक्टेरिया, हायड्रोकार्बोनोक्लास्टिक बॅक्टेरिया हे हायड्रोकार्बनचं अपघटन घडवून आणतात आणि त्यापासून कार्बन डायऑक्साईड व पाणी निर्माण करतात. प्लास्टिक बॉटल्स which are formed from polyethylene terephthalate polyester, that is PET, form urban garbage. Species of bacteria like Vibrio, Ideonella sacensis can decompose the PET. Similarly, species of fungi like actinomycetes, streptomyces, Nocardia, actinoplanes, they have ability of decomposing rubber from garbage. Sulfuric acid is present in the acid rain and also in the materials coming out of mines. This sulfuric acid present in acid rain carry out the erosion of metals present in statues, bridges and buildings. Some species of bacteria like Acidophilium species and Acidobacillus ferrooxidans use sulfuric acid as their energy source, and hence these bacteria control the soil pollution occurring due to acid rain. आम्लपर्जन्यामध्ये असलेलं सल्फ्युरिक आम्लामुळे पुतळे, पूल, इमारती यामधील धातूंचं क्षरण होतं. ॲसिडोबॅसिलस फेरोऑक्सिडन्स आणि ॲसिडिफिलियम प्रजातींमधील जीवाणूंसाठी सल्फ्युरिक आम्ल हा एक ऊर्जा स्रोत असतो आणि त्यामुळे आम्लपर्जन्यामुळे होणारे भूप्रदूषण हे जीवाणू थांबवू शकतात आणि त्यांचा उपयोग म्हणून केला जातो. Water soluble salts of uranium are present in the waste produced during electroplating. Geobacter convert these salts of uranium into insoluble salt and thus they prevent those salt mixing with groundwater sources and thus avoid water pollution. अणुऊर्जा प्रकल्पातून पर्यावरणात सोडल्या जाणाऱ्या उत्सर्गामध्ये युरेनियमचे जलविद्राव्य क्षार असतात. पाण्यात विरघळून हे पाण्याचं मोठ्या प्रमाणावर प्रदूषण घडवून आणू शकतात. परंतु जिओबॅक्टर जीवाणू हे युरेनियम क्षाराचं रूपांतर अविद्राव्य म्हणजे न विरघळणाऱ्या क्षारामध्ये करतात आणि त्यामुळे हे जीवाणू पाण्याच्या साठ्यात मिसळले असता अविद्राव्य पदार्थ तयार होऊन पाण्याचं प्रदूषण थांबवण्यास मदत होते. मायक्रोबियल इनॉक्युलंट्स म्हणजेच सूक्ष्मजैविक संरोप. Microbes containing inoculants are produced by the process of fermentation. These microbial inoculants are used for spraying on seeds before sowing. There are many benefits of these microbial inoculants. Let us study them one by one. Microbes in the inoculants help in plant growth by supplying nutrients. They improve the quality of vegetarian food. These microbial inoculants avoid soil pollution occurring due to chemical fertilizers. Fluoroacetamide-like chemicals are mixed with soil due to use of chemical pesticide in agriculture, which are harmful for other plants as well as for animals, and they cause skin diseases. Such type of pesticides in the soil can be destroyed with the help of microbes. Our next topic is bioinsecticides. जैव कीटकनाशके. Bacterial and fungal toxins which can destroy pests and pathogens can be directly integrated into plants with the help of biotechnology. These are termed as bioinsecticides. जैवतंत्रज्ञानाच्या मदतीने पिकांवरील कीटक आणि रोगजंतूंचा नाश करणारी द्रव्ये ही थेट वनस्पतींमध्येच अंतर्भूत केली जातात, वनस्पतींच्या शरीरातच टाकली जातात. त्यालाच जैव कीटकनाशके असं म्हटलं जातं. Being toxic to insect, they do not consume the plants, and similar to bacteria, some species of fungi and viruses are useful as pesticides. Spinosad, a byproduct of fermentation, is a biopesticide.